In today's credit-driven economy, a three-digit number can determine one's financial freedom or limitation. In the United States, the credit score functions as a silent but powerful gatekeeper, shaping access to housing, employment, and borrowing opportunities. A single missed payment or excessive debt can diminish years of financial effort, while disciplined management can unlock lower interest rates and greater economic stability. Understanding how to build and protect this score is vital to long-term financial success. Before I continue, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, so more people can discover this content. Also, subscribe to receive more content like this. In the United States, a credit score is a crucial indicator of an individual's financial reliability and overall creditworthiness. It significantly influences the ability to obtain loans, qualify for mortgages, secure favorable interest rates, and even rent property or gain employment in certain industries. Given its wide-reaching impact, maintaining a strong credit score is essential to long-term financial health. Understanding the composition of a credit score and employing strategies to strengthen it can greatly enhance financial stability and access to credit opportunities. Payment history constitutes approximately 35% of an individual's total credit score, making it the single most influential factor in the Fair Isaac Corporation (FICO) scoring model, which was developed by engineers Bill Fair and Earl Isaac in 1956 and remains the most widely used system for assessing credit risk in the United States. Lenders place high importance on an applicant's record of timely payments as it reflects the likelihood of future repayment. Even one missed or late payment can cause a noticeable decline in a score and may remain on a credit report for up to 7 years. Establishing automatic payments or calendar reminders helps ensure that obligations such as credit cards, loans, and utility bills are settled promptly. Over time, consistent punctuality in meeting financial commitments demonstrates reliability and builds a strong foundation for an improved credit rating. The second most significant component, amounts owed, contributes roughly 30% to a credit score. This factor primarily reflects credit utilization, the ratio between outstanding balances and total available credit. High utilization levels may signal financial distress or over-reliance on credit. To maintain an optimal score, financial experts recommend keeping utilization below 30% and ideally under 10%. For those who aren't comfortable with math, this simply means trying to use less than 1/3 of your credit limit, closer to 1/10 if possible. For example, if your credit card limit is $1,000, owing $300 means you're using 30% of it. Paying down balances frequently or requesting a higher credit limit can help reduce utilization and thereby improve one's score, signaling financial discipline and effective credit management. Approximately 15% of a credit score derives from the length of an individual's credit history. This component considers the age of the oldest and newest accounts, as well as the average age of all accounts. A longer credit history provides lenders with more information to evaluate financial behavior over time. Therefore, maintaining older accounts, even those used infrequently, can positively influence creditworthiness. The duration of credit relationships demonstrates stability and long-term responsibility in handling credit. The diversity of credit types or credit mix accounts for about 10% of the total score. Lenders favor borrowers who can effectively manage different forms of credit, including revolving credit, such as credit cards, and installment credit, such as auto loans or mortgages. A well-balanced mix of credit types shows that an individual is capable of handling various financial obligations responsibly. However, one should not open unnecessary accounts solely to diversify. Instead, building a natural variety of credit over time is most beneficial. The final 10% of a credit score is determined by the number of recently opened credit accounts and the frequency of new applications. Each new credit inquiry results in a hard check, which can temporarily lower the score. Opening several new accounts in quick succession can suggest financial instability or overextension. Exercising restraint and applying for new credit only when necessary can protect this portion of the score, allowing other positive factors to exert greater influence over time. Although not directly tied to a percentage in the FICO model, regularly reviewing credit reports remains essential to maintaining a strong score. Consumers are entitled to one free credit report annually from each of the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, through annualcreditreport.com. Identifying and disputing inaccuracies promptly prevents unwarranted damage to one's credit standing. Additionally, services such as Experian Boost enable consumers to include timely utility or phone payments in their records, offering another means to strengthen their overall profile. Improving a credit score in the United States requires a strategic combination of discipline, awareness, and consistency. With payment history contributing 35%, amounts owed 30%, length of credit history 15%, credit mix 10%, and new credit 10%, individuals can prioritize their efforts according to these weighted factors. By making payments on time, maintaining low utilization rates, preserving long-standing accounts, managing diverse credit types, and monitoring reports for accuracy, consumers can steadily enhance their financial credibility. In a society where access to credit underpins many opportunities, cultivating a high credit score is both a reflection of financial responsibility and a key to long-term economic success. If you found this guide helpful in understanding how to boost your credit score, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tips on personal finance and smart money management. Your support helps others discover valuable financial insights too. If you have a question or personal experiences about improving your credit, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and continue the conversation.